Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best angle grinder you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best angle grinder 2021 in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 pick is DEWALT Angle Grinder DWE402. This DEWALT has been designed to withstand the test of time with oversized motor brushes providing double the lifespan its predecessor this DEWALT offered, and on top of the improved brushes it has been built with a large spiral bevel gear that increases the grinder's transmission life, so it has been designed to have a long working life even with sustained and heavy use. Let's watch more.
Introducing the DWE402 Small Angle Grinder by DEWALT. One of the most durable small angle grinders DEWALT has ever produced, with features that maximize cut depth and ease of use. In fact, this grinder has over 142 new parts, a cooler temperature rise, and is designed to deliver more power. With guaranteed tough construction and compact design that was made to fit your hands, the dust ejection system allows cooling air in while ejecting harmful debris out. The powerful next-generation motor can tackle tough jobs other DEWALT small-angle grinders can't. The advanced airflow management system channels cool air into the tool, cooling the motor and internal components. This cooler motor lasts longer and delivers more reliable power. The integrated heat sink reduces gearbox temperatures. The DWE402 small-angle grinder is built to last and is always built guaranteed tough by DEWALT.
Our second best angle grinder is Makita 9557 PBX1. For a strong performing grinder, the Makita 9557 PBX1 4.5-inch angle grinder is another bargain. For any sort of metalwork, this product is a really good choice for many reasons. It's rugged, solid, durable, powerful, and comfortable to use, all at the same time. It looks, acts, and feels like a high-end product from top to bottom without costing you the top-end prices many grinders with matching performance do cost. Number 3 in our list is Metabo Angle Grinder 600,380,420. This is among the safest products in the market due to its automatic safety clutch that prevents kickback. The presence of a Metabo long life motor provides you with more power during use and allows the grinder to cool and run smoothly. This Germany-made beast is appropriate for first-time users and experienced metal fabricators alike. Our 4th pick is DEWALT DCG413B. This is a perfect option when it comes to high-performing cordless grinders. The DEWALT cordless comes with a brushless design that delivers 57% more run time, meaning you won't have to change between brushes regularly. To use this cordless tool, you will need to use a 5 amp-hour battery or more for optimum usage. Last in our list is Bosch Angle Grinder 1375A. This angle grinder feels great in the hand and is very easy to operate. It features a large paddle switch, which we found was easy to operate even with thick gloves on. It can withstand heavy and continuous use, even professional worksite use won't be a problem. This angle grinder will not let you down in the reliability stakes as it's been built to last, and it will withstand heavy use against tough materials. Let's watch more this product.